Okay, now this is ready chicken and I'm going to try it. Mm. Wow. Yummy. Much better than some other barbecues. I will not name it. But I make a bread, noodle and chicken, and then I will add some maybe chili sauce. Now I like to eat bread because otherwise my appetite is not full. Thank you guys for watching. Today I plan to make a chicken adobo. Okay, chicken adobo. When I say chicken adobo, Filipino people will think that chicken adobo, chicken cook with sauce and like that. No, chicken adobo barbecue. Okay, grilled chicken adobo. I'm going to show you guys. Just wait for a while. Okay, guys, I debone the chicken. After deboning, look at this. This is debone already. And after we debone the chicken, you can see how to debone. Just like that. Simple as that. So, yeah. Okay. Pause. Guys, this is the deboned chicken already, and this is the bones. It takes me 3 minutes to 5 piece chicken leg. I debone it. Takes me 3 minutes. Now I'm going to make marination. Now this chicken bone you can make a chicken stock. Okay, chicken stock. There is some meat, still meat. The bone have a collagen. The collagen is good for your bones also. You make a stock when you make a soup, or you make chicken curry, or you make a chicken adobo or chicken stew, or anything, you add chicken stock in there, so it's good for your health too. Okay guys, this is chopped garlic, three spoon. Okay, now tomato ketchup. I put 1 spoon sugar already. Tomato ketchup 2 spoon, and salt because we don't put too much salt because the soy sauce is salty. Salt, just say 1 spoon. Black pepper 1 spoon, and light soy sauce quarter cup. And then we have one more ingredient here. We are going to add is ginger. Ginger we just grind it like 1 spoon ginger. Okay, now this recipe is I learned from Chinese. Okay, this recipe I learned from Chinese, and I believe also the chicken adobo in Philippines is a Chinese food. It's not a Filipino food. Whether the Filipino have become Filipino national dish, but exactly this recipe. Now here we can add some oil, but if we don't add oil, that's also okay, because oil will give shining and cook better, more crispy. Okay guys, so you can see this is the marination, and now I'm going to marinate. I remove all these things. I'm going to marinate chicken. Okay, now you see The salt there, sugar there, chicken. Okay, chicken just like that, and put aside. This chicken leg is quite big. Now you see the marinate. Okay. Last piece. Now you see, not too much marination, not too less, just enough. And this recipe, why I say I learned from Chinese, because when I'm working with GW Marriott, my colleague was Chinese there from China, and they used to make chicken wings exactly this style. And when I studied the chicken adobo, almost same. So that's why I believe that Chinese don't go to learn in Philippines. This is a Chinese dish. Guys, the second dish we are going to cook is Filipino pancit noodle. Okay, pancit cassava noodle. Now there's a garlic, this Chinese cabbage, this broccoli, red bell pepper, green pepper, mushrooms, and then carrot and onion, red onion. Okay, now this is for next dish. Okay guys, garlic and onion already in oil. We just saute it. Now carrot go in. We add carrot. Now remember, this is not a curry, okay? Everything slightly saute, not too long to saute, okay? Okay, you can see broccoli in the pan already with the fire. Okay, the remaining vegetable is mushroom coming in. Bell pepper, mushroom. The Filipino pancit has many styles We cook with seafood, we cook with chicken, we cook with pork, blah blah blah, so many things, but we cook the vegetarian style. Okay guys, this is chicken. Our soy sauce is already added, and then here I'm going to cook the barbecue chicken adobo. You can see I have some water there, so let it dry. Now all the veg are inside. Black pepper, you can add generous amount of black pepper because it's good for cough, winter time. Now this is skin side down. Okay, let the chicken to cook and then you turn the skin and make it color. Vegetable is out. Okay guys, we add some more oil in there, and then we will saute another onion, some more onion and some more garlic for flavor in the noodle. Okay, now the remaining onion we put in there. Okay, we add garlic and then we saute a little bit. Okay, this is the cassava noodle. Okay guys, you can see cassava is a vegetable. Okay, vegetable grow inside the land, and maybe Filipino knows what is cassava, but the other people around the world they don't know. This is a cassava noodle, and this guy is the one invented. So this is cassava noodle. Cassava noodle which is I read here is with ginseng. Okay, with ginseng. Ginseng is Chinese knows what is ginseng and Filipino knows what is ginseng. Now you can see the vegetable is tender. Yeah, you can see tender. We don't need to burn it. Okay, we keep the vitamin inside the vegetable. Okay, we don't want to burn vitamin away and we eat it. Okay, now we add here (3 liter) water. Okay, this is 3 liter water, and let it to boil, and then we add noodle. Now we add some dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce actually not necessary in the food. Dark soy sauce is to give color in the food. Okay, give coloring, like when you eating. Now this is a light soy sauce. This one is a flavoring. Okay, this is a flavoring. It also have a amount of salt, salty. Then we add some oyster sauce. Okay, oyster sauce is for extra flavor. Okay, because the noodle, noodle is just a flour, water and noodles, they don't have flavor. So flavor you have to give it. So we add oyster sauce and some ketchup to make sweetness, because ketchup have some vinegar and sugar in there, ginger, garlic, blah blah, everything is there. So this will give a sweetness flavor in the noodle. Now what we do, we let it boil. When it's boiled, we add noodle and just cover it. Okay, some vegetable juice. We put it to the noodle stock. Okay, chicken is being cooked, and this is the noodle. This is the cassava noodle. You can see how beautifully made. Okay guys, you see the chicken is sizzling. Now it's sizzling after because when you're cooking chicken will shrink, so you make it in the middle. Okay, so easy to cook. Okay guys, we add noodle. Okay guys, now you can see noodles. This is 3 liter water and 3 kilo noodle. Cover and slow heat. Okay, slow heat means like you cook biryani in the slow heat. Oregano, fresh oregano give very good smell because it's a vegetarian dish. Okay, So vegetarian food, you must add some oregano, basil, and some other herbs if you have. Yes, now you see the chicken is already almost done. What we do, we turn it. We turn it first and we color the skin. Okay, now you see the skin. Skin is not color because it's only one-sided heat. It's like a salamander oven. Okay, so one-sided heat, so that's why the color is only one side. Now remember, the chicken skin have a fat in there. Okay, chicken skin fat will cook faster. If you remove the skin already, the chicken is dry, very unpleasant to eat, not tasty. So the taste is come from skin. Okay, I don't know if some people like to eat skin, but don't eat skin. After you cook already, you can remove it. I mean, just eat the meat, but don't throw skin. Skin have a taste. Now you guys, you see the skin, because skin have a fat, so the fat is more easier and faster to heat up. Now the skin is bubbling already, you know, it's becoming crispy. In Philippines, they eat the chicken skin, pork skin, every skin they will make chicharron, you know. So this is very delicious when it's cooked with skin. Okay guys, we are going to mix it and mix it and mix it. Make sure you mix properly, because sometimes the noodle inside not cook, because this is not meat or something, that this is only a noodle need just a mixing. Okay, mixing is must be very important. Now we cover again for few minutes, and then we little bit mix again, and then we add vegetable. Now you see, just in a few seconds, look at the skin, you know, crispy, beautiful, and look at that. This called barbecue chicken adobo. Okay, my Filipino friends, you should not only cook adobo in the sauce. Okay, make barbecue chicken adobo. I never see a chef from Philippines who promote Filipino food and international label, like Italians, like Turkish, like Morocco, Europeans, Americans, but Filipino little bit behind. Okay guys, we add a vegetable. No, this vegetable still have some juices. Okay, the reason we add earlier, because the juices will go deep inside the noodle and give the extra flavor in there, and you can, when you eat, it's beautifully tasty noodle. Okay, but still need to cover another 2 minutes. Okay guys, now chicken is cooked. You can see chicken is done already. I'm going to take out from there and put the next batch here. Okay, look beautiful. Okay guys, the noodle is ready, and we are going to give to our friend. That's okay, that's enough. And then we add some vegetable, just like that. Okay, so wait a some chicken onion. Don't off the noodle. The fire not there. Okay. We gave this to our friend and we cut the chicken, put on the top already. Okay. Now this is ready chicken and I'm going to try it. Wow. Yummy. Much better than some other barbecues. I will not name it. But I make a bread, noodle and chicken and then I will add some maybe chili sauce. Now I like to eat bread because otherwise my appetite is not full. Thank you guys for watching.